Yeah, you know what ne? Abanye abantu bebengadeserve ukusebenza. Like bebedeserve ukuthi badlale ibhola, bafike professional football. Ungabona umzimba, iRodman elimnandi, ibhola lishayile today. Yo, Kellogg's, yabona amagoli esobona eEurope. Kela, Rodman abantu abangibelieve. Ngicela ubatshela. But before ubatshela, can you please introduce yourself? Ngegama lamampela isibongo and tell our people ukuthi uhlala kuphi and also tell them ukuthi uspanava.
Okay, igama bonkosi uGerald wahlongwane uGerald uG ubuya kuGerald. Okay, ngokusipana ngise Boksburg prison. Ukuhlala futhi ngihlala khona eBoksburg prison. Sure.
Hayi Rodman ngiyakubona hayi kuyasho ukuthi ngeyinkathi ushukela mawukhona. For the fact ukuthi we captain umzimba sinandaba nawo but kuyabona ukuthi in your prime oyinja Rodman lami yabo but lento lengibonisa ukuthi ibhola uyalazi and uyalibukela uyalithanda. So Rodman lami namhlanje soba test football knowledge yakho ukuthi ibhola ulazi kangakanani so that umuntu obukela abanga ukuthi hayi esvar you know abantu abasebenza nabo back in the days ibhola nibadlala yabo. So Rodman lami as you know ukuthi eKasi siya struggle ngentwana eziningi ezincane sibhema ama drugs and all that ezinye ku gangster like amantombazana and all that. So let's say sikuphi chance ukuthi ugaye entwana advice eseKasi efuna ukufika professional football ungayitshela uthini?
Into engakutshela nje engiyenzayo currently mangibona umntana esikolo aphethe happy or i-vapor ngiyamgijimisa la angivumeli into esimoshelayo le i-vapor notshwala nama-drugs ngiyasimoshela but in most cases ngizokuthatha umntana ngimbize ngimbeke la ukuthi kahle uzimiseleni in future, you understand? It's not all about ukuthi awudlala ibhola but it's all about i-future yakhe, you understand? So yinto esibulalayo ukuthi ibhola thina abanye ukuthi singabe ema-drugsini ukuthi ibhola besilithanda sasingaforce ukuthi ebholweni but ingane zamanje uyaziforce ukuthi ebholweni ziyebholweni, you understand? So into esingayenza nje ukuthi sibalekele sibasuse sibabize siba-advise sibanikeze umqondo right, yabona nesikela nakhona futhi balungisela esikoleni kodwa into futhi engikhala ngayo nasey'kolweni ibhola basalidlali esikhathini esiningi yinto ekumele ilungiswe lo yasebholweni ukuthi esikoleni makudlale i-sports mabasithathe serious, you understand? Sure.
Okay, sizofuna ukukhuluma ngawe back in the days. So iRodman back in the days adlala ibhola bedlala yiphi position?
Uqala wami ngisemncane esikela angiyiswipha ngangidlala i5 but then upon mawukhula ama-position yawo mawudlala ibhola bakushintsha ngathola enye coach yami yangidlalisa i-right back thanks to right back from there yangithatha yangistrikisa bengistrikisa ngidlalisa i6 kusesikhathi yeah.
I mean I think lo coach okudlalise emuva wrong. All right lokuqalisa ukudlala ku-strike cause lekolo loshaya namhlanje I think ama-player amaningi adlala professional bebengamista abathola leya chance leya yabo bebengamista like total. So iRodman lami ku-pro side favor which club?
Impofana Khosi.
Khosi.
Yeah, Kaizer Chiefs.
So which player currently ungadlala Kaizer Chiefs bungathanda ukuthi udlale Kaizer Chiefs?
Ngiyakutshela mfethu umfana wePirates Mfokeng honestly uye bengafisa ukuthi abe khona ku-Chiefs. Sure.
Yeah, yona leyo ngiyayizwa but into engeke yayenzeka kusuka kwakhe ku-Pirates we all know ukuthi angayaphesheya. So uyazi ukuthi bafana Rodman this year uyodlala i-World Cup bayoperforma for the first time since 2010 yabo badlala ne-team abadlale nayo first game eMexico. So which player ngekho kubafana ubungathanda libe khona esquadini?
Striker lo mfana we-Sundowns ngicine bangambizi uthi bani uReyners khala ngoReyners ukuthi bemele bambize esquadini. Sure.
Okay, iRodman ngaba special favor which club?
Arsenal, the Gunners of London.
Lezo seziphotlile league.
Sure, but this time soyithatha league.
Sure guys.
Yeah. Sure.
Okay, so let's say khona intwana manje ifuna ukufika ku-professional iza kuwe ke Rodman lami ne ithi hayi Rodman azini niyastruggle ngento esona so ngicela ngiphe ama-advice bungathanda uyitshela uthini?
Intwana ezikuzanga ukuthi i-struggle in which way, you understand? If i-struggle ngama-cogs I'll try and give him ama-cogs. If i-struggle ngamali yokuya mhlambe kuma-trials if mhlambe ufuna ukufonela ukusizwa ngokufonela or ufuna ukuthathwa amikise khona ngoba in this year January I've took this ulona kunentwana engazilanda yama-skills u-3 ngazibona zidlala ngazithatha ngabe interest kuzo ngahamba ngazilanda ngazisa ku-TS Galaxy ngibe nama-trial manje ngoJanuary ngazithatha ngazisa la yabo but anyways yezafela but into ukuthi ngizoya ukuthi umuntu ushoda ngani who I can assist. Yeah.
Okay, so for those abangaspani abahlele lokishini bafuna ispani ungathanda ukubatshela ukuthini like kuze ama-opportunity okusebenza for bona avuleke?
Abangaspani awuthami ithande ukuba difficult leyo but it's all about ukuya ngento obhilivela kuyo, yabona? if you believe ukuthi self employed ungazama ukwenza something uthengisa nayo ungazama ukuthengisa some other things enzele isiphaza.
Sure.
Yeah.
Sure. As long as
As long as there's something.
Sure. Any word of the day for our South African people?
Mina into engayisho nje ukuthi abantu banga give up empilweni. You know bengitshela amajita mangifika la ukuthi ngagcina ukudlala la it was 2004 ngitry la for squad sala iBinoni. Upage Mahlangu kwaku coach. He selected me in that squad ne. But the pity because of bengaso umuntu wala iBinoni bengivakashele outside la Jacksonville. Angizange ngidlale. Ngayeka lapho and then nabantu ade ngidlala nabo manje bekuyi-2 bekuyi-team ngabantu udlala esquadini mara kugcwele i-team abantu bala Whiteville kuthiwa yi-Aston Villa yileyo team leyo bekuyi-Aston Villa bengila 2004 ngitrayela but they pick me ngadlala but ekuhambeni kwesikhathi ngayeka yabo.
Sure. My brother, ayabonga for isikhathi sakho.
Sure.
Yeah, hopefully nizoyenza kahle.
Thank you.
Nasespanini Monday mawubuyela yo laptop uzobuya ubuyela kusasa.
Sasa namhlanje ngibuye eSpanini.
Namhlanje espanini.
Namhlanje ngibuye eSpanini.
Mara umkhaba wani une-energy engaka?
Umkhaba mfethu. Ukukhuleka kwenhliziyo.
Yeah, we happy.
Okay.
Thank you for your time, my brother. Thank you.
Sure.
Thank you.
Thank you.